think you're the big dog, so when you click out, it,
Yeah,
it
but
locks me out too.
yeah, it shouldn't every time. It's just I clicked the wrong one because it gives me the option of all or just leave.
I see. It's custom live stream service at the top, but I'm not showing live on our YouTube yet. Click the live button here and see if it updates. Update. It is actually. I lied.
We are live. Good deal. We are. I like it when everything works like it is supposed to.
Yeah, I see. Both of us have a live YouTube going. Sweet. So if you're out
Yep.
there in YouTube land, welcome. This is the Bank on Purpose podcast. Bill and Jody. We're
Where
still
we
3 minutes early yet, but trying to figure things
y'all
out.
are welcome to join us and chit chat and maybe help us decide what the money topic of next week should be, right?
Yeah, that would be good.
What do y'all want to know
You can go to here so I can get the
about
chat.
money and investing, self-directed accounts? Chit chat and maybe help us decide what the money topic of next week should be, right?
Yeah, that would be good. Let me silence these
Y'all
things.
want to know.
Put them on silent so we're not talking. Silence YouTube. Oh. All right, I got both of them up with the chat.
Them two questions you had that you said those are the questions that I the heck out.
I'm sorry I didn't catch all that.
I was just asking what were them two questions we were just talking about that scared the hell out of you
Oh, the ones
with
that say,
with investing and
yeah, the exact procedures and that kind of thing.
yeah.
Let me read them here. I scroll down here and say real life stories of private lending success and step by step path to becoming. So you're becoming a lender. We need to work that out where we have a documented process. It is now 1600 my time, so we're about ready to start.
Yeah, we can kick this off.
All right, let's get back here at the beginning. Episode 6. All right, this is I'm going to get this rolling here. This is Bank on Purpose podcast. How to be the bank. Private Lending 101, Episode 6. Align your money with your purpose. So welcome back, everybody. I'm Bill Pace, Texas Bill Pace, and this
And
is
I'm Jody
Jody Ogden.
Ogden. Our mission is simple to teach you how to make your money work harder, safer, and smarter.
Today we're digging into a powerful area. What if you could be the bank? That's what private lending is all about.
And remember, we've got our live Bank on Purpose 2-day event in Dallas happening October 25th and 26th of this year. We'll show you how exactly to protect and grow your money by investing in real estate with us. Stick around for the details at the end.
already.
So, Bill, what does it mean to be the bank?
Well, that means you loan the money. Investors like us borrow it. We buy real estate. Instead of the bank, the big banks making the money, you collect the interest. So, why would anyone want to be the bank?
Well, few reasons, but because the banks are safe and profitable, they always get paid first. And when you act as the bank, your money is secured by the property or the real estate. So it's not an unsecured loan. You tie it to the real estate to keep it relatively more of a safer investment because it's secured with it. So,
Absolutely.
is it risky, Bill?
Well, it's less risky than stocks. Your loan's backed by real estate, as you said, and we structure the deals so your money is protected with paperwork, just like a bank would. The deal's written out. Number one, we put a promissory note on every single loan. We have a deed of trust that's securing the loan, a lender's title policy to make sure you have a clean title, an insurance policy to always ensure that the lender is first payee so that if the place burns down, your money is always protected first, just like the banks do. So how do I actually lend money if I was wanting to do that, Jody?
Well, you can loan money from a few different sources. You can loan it, if you got it cash or a savings account. You can go through through an IRA or a solo, or you could take out a loan and earn the spread on the difference. The one cool thing I'd like to caveat here to Bill is I heard in the news recently that Trump is actually trying to make it to where your traditional 401k you can invest in real estate with as well. So it'll be interesting to see if that happens.
Well, you can
What
do
kind
that.
of return can you expect, Bill?
I mean, you could do that now with if you have
Do
your money
what?
in a traditional, if you had it in a traditional with a self-directed, but so
Yeah, yeah.
it's going to depend on
That's what I mean, though.
who you have it with.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure how that's going to change a whole lot there, but kind of returns you can expect with private lenders, you get depending on the deal, we're going to get probably between 8 and 12%, and that's way more than a CD is going to get you at the bank. So if you're just drawing money from the stocks like we were just talking, you're probably only going to make 3 or 4, maybe at the most, on an average. I mean, over time, so it doesn't do as well. So how fast do I get paid back here, Jody, if I was going to lend?
So, Bill, that all depends on the deal. But folks, some are as little as 6 months. I mean, if you're loaning on a flip, then it's going to be as little as 6 months, and some are 3 to 5 years. You always want to know the terms before you say yes, and of course you have control in this, just like the bank does. If you're only wanting your money to stay in a deal 6 months, then that's the kind of deal you want to make sure you lend to. Versus if you're more after it coming out of your retirement account or your self-directed account, and you want it to grow longer term, so you ain't got to be as hands-on, that 3 to 5 years, then you'll want to get in the deals like that. So yeah, there's every deal is going to be different, and you just got to decide which way you want to utilize, or for investors to utilize your money. So, Bill, who uses private lenders?
Real estate investors like us do. We use private money to buy homes, add value, and rent them out. So uh, it gets us money faster, so we don't have to wait on longer loans, and we can get even though we're maybe paying a higher interest rate than we would from the bank sometimes, but we don't have to wait a month and a half, 2 months and deal with that. So we can get it moved and get it out and get your money back to you and get everybody, deals move faster this way. So what happens if something goes wrong there, Jody?
Well, so you're the bank. The property is your collateral. That means you're secured and have the right to be paid back first. So if something goes wrong, your collateral sits in the position that your loan is on, or your position of where your loan is how you're secured. So if it's a first loan, a first lien position, you're paid back very first and you have the most secure spot. If your money's in a second uh, lender position, then you'll be paid back second to the first lender. But with us and all credible investors in real estate, you should keep it below 75% of the after repair value, or the AVR property. So there's plenty of equity there if it ever went sour, for to make sure you and the primary got paid back if you were the secondary. And if you're the primary, needless to say, you're always the first one paid. So it's more secure that way, but both are secure if you're doing it right and not going over the 75% or of the value of the property. So Bill, can I start with a small amount, or is it, got to lay 100 grand out there, or what is it, man?
Yeah, some lenders start with like 25,000. Others gonna use retirements with 100 or more. So it just depends on what you can put into it and how much you want to invest. If you want to invest with other, we can put it to a second, a third, or fourth on our. I mean, depends on how. If we have a smaller numbers, we may put 2 or 3 people in there with it. So as it works out, so that everybody gets, can invest at their level. So you don't have to have $1 million or even 100. You got a little bit, we can put it together with somebody else.
So Bill, how do I learn that to do this the right way, so I'm not just losing my money because I wasn't smart about it?
Well, that's exactly why we're hosting this event. We're going to tell you how to do that. The Bank on Purpose in Dallas in October. We're going to walk you through a real deal, show you step by step how to be the bank. So if you're tired of small returns at the bank, then
And do you want to put your money to work safely?
come join us at Bank on
Join
Purpose.
us at the Bank on Purpose, October 25th, 26th in Dallas.
2 days of hand-on training, no hype, just real strategies, protect your money and grow it. Seats are limited. Grab your spots now. DS Word event for tickets, and we'll send you a link. And remember, align your money with your purpose and
Bank on Purpose.
Bank on Purpose.
Y'all have a good one. Look
Next week,
forward
we're
to
looking
seeing
at
you.
which one we're going to do next week. We're going to do
Yeah, let's since we the input, let's go ahead and do the how to protect your investment like a bank, man.
Roger that. So that'll be next week's subject. So
Sweet.
there you go, guys. There we are, ready to check out this thing. So we're going to have we're going to let you know here with our short advertisement here is going to be Bank on Purpose 2-day live event, Dallas, Texas, October 25, 26, 20 of this year. You want to earn 8 to 12% returns, give or take. Some depends on the deal. We can't guarantee any numbers. And you'll learn how to be the bank, secure your real estate, buy real estate. And you're going to use your IRAs, 401k, cash, checkbook, whatever you have would help you put it together. And step-by-step training, real deals, no hype, just results. We have people talk about different things and different ways to invest your money. So, all righty. Thank you so much. And we're out.